Welcome, diecast collectors. I have two new Autoworld cases, 2020 Release 5, version A and version B. So we're gonna open these up and see what we got. If you saw my last Autoworld unboxing video, I got quite the surprise. So we're gonna open these up. I have not looked in these yet. And we're gonna see what we can find. Alright, first one out of the case. This is a new casting. This is the 1975 Cadillac Eldorado in Lido green poly, which is pretty cool. Kind of that 70s avocado green interior. It looks pretty good. That's the number 6. Next is the other new casting that's going to be in here. This is the 1991 Dodge Stealth RT Twin Turbo in Firestorm Red. And this is also really super cool. I always like the Dodge Stealth better than the Mitsubishi 3000, simply because of the spoiler and the taillights. I thought that was cooler on the Stealth. Alright, that's number 5. Let's see, are we pulling out number 4? We are. It's the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited Sport in Chief Blue with a white top. That looks really good. I'm a huge Jeep fan. Oh, it's got white striping on there too. Like that. Like it. I like it. Number 2 is the 2019 Ford F-150 XLT Sport. It's like the heaviest casting ever. In iconic silver. Looks alright. XLT Special Edition package stripes. Okay. Next out is gonna be the 1980 Chevy Custom Deluxe Stepside in Midnight Black with the front push bar on there, lifted chassis, step side, red interior. This looks really good too. I'm really digging it. And last for the release A is gonna be the 2019 Chevy Silverado LTZ Z71 in satin steel metallic. I don't know, this is just as heavy as this other one. These are like a pound of metal right there in just those two castings is what it feels like. Big heavy castings. All right, that's box number 1. A box. Now let's open the B box. Release B. First one out is going to be number 1, the 2019 Chevy Silverado LTZ Z71, this time in Red Hot. Looks pretty good. bright yellow border on the card. It's a pretty color. Next one. Number 2 is the 2019 Ford F-150 XLT Sport in agate black. Little blue dots on the wheel centers there. Ford logo on the grille. Also looks pretty good. Number 3 is going to be the 1980 Chevy Custom Deluxe Stepside in bright green. Also has the push bar details. And that one looks really good. Next one is going to be number 4, the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited Sport, this time in Gobi Beige. It's got the same white detailing. It's hard to see, I bet, on camera, but white roof. Of course, front detail, back detail. Looks really good. I'm excited for that. Next is going to be the 1975 Cadillac Eldorado in Cerise Fire Mist Poly, which also looks really good with the red dash and the white interior in there. Kind of like a ruby metallic with that red maroon vinyl top. That looks really good. I'm impressed with that one. And last, what are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? It's the 1991 Dodge Stealth RT Twin Turbo in Mystic Blue. Looks good. I think this is the first time that they've done the picture of the rear of the car instead of the front of the car too. For Autoworld, I think they always have done the front of the car. So no Ultra Reds, no Ultra Raws, but all in all, an incredible case of cars. I'm definitely impressed with the Stealth. That blue color is beautiful, and the red. I'm definitely impressed with the new truck, the new lifted truck with the push bar. That looks great. I love my Jeeps. So probably like the blue a little bit more than the beige. I definitely like this Cerise Fire Mist Poly on this Cadillac more than the Lido Green. That's definitely awesome. Oh, and it's even got the white detailing on the hood. You see that? White detailing on the hood there. That looks good. These heavy trucks, it's not 100% my thing, but I'm gonna collect them. Which one is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe, check out my other playlists. I've got other Autoworld unboxings, Hot Wheels unboxings, so check those out too, and we'll see you next time.